everyone, so because you liked my last video, I'm here to show you how to install another brand of solar rechargeable fan. In the last video, I talked about Fibon Rechargeable fan, but in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to install Fibon solar charging fan. So it has 2-year warranty guaranteed, solar charging, LED lights, windscreen, USB output. Beautiful thing or the edge it has over Fibon solar fan is because it has an inbuilt extra battery. Let me show you that. I'm not just saying it for nothing. So here we go. Can you see it? Unlike any other solar charging fan you've been using, so it shows you that other solar charging fans are very good, but this one is an extra edge for you. So watch me as I do it. The first step is to knot the stands, which I'm about to do now. So for the stand, unlike Fibon solar fan, that one is very easier because you just have to put this inside and screw the nuts and knot it down here. But this one is quite similar because it already has an hook like this. So what we need to do is to unhook it or unknot it if there's an index like that. This is not very tight. Can you see it? This stand is all ready, but then the solar fan is not ready. So this is just a column that holds the fan blade. So watch me while I do this. So let's just put this down. This is what I mean by the column that carries the fan blade. So how do we do this? Guess what? Having to put this column is another vital thing you have to be careful about. Careful on or mindful of. So watch me while I do this. On normal ground, you can't just put this here. That means something is actually missing in this, which is this. So before I put this in, so I need to bring out the iron. This iron is the adjustable knob, whereby if the fan is too tall, you want to make it too tall, or you want to make it tall, or you want to make it short. So this is how you can. This is where you adjust it. But the purpose of this is for adjustment. If you want to adjust, because without this can just easily go in and down, up and forth like that, thereby causing discomfort whenever you are entering the fan. So that's why you have this here. With this here, we can adjust this. Can you see? So with this, doesn't go up and down, So it's like this. I want it shortened. Then reduce this and here. Once you are okay with it, you fasten. But for the sake of this installation, I have to increase it to the maximum. Then I fasten it. After being done with fastening it, we add our column that carries the fan blade. So that is very easy. Look at the adjustable knob here. You adjust it. So after being adjusted, you just put it in like this. It's already in, so you can't go in any longer. Just in until it is tightened and it's no longer moving. So like this, it is still moving. Until it doesn't go anymore. So let's see. You can see it's not shaking. That shows that it is firm and okay. So we are done with that. The next stage is to attach the fan blade. In my last video, what I did was I fixed all the old fan blades with this engine before fixing it to the edge. But I discovered something. Because I did it like that, it was quite difficult for me to fix the edge myself until I needed assistance. But in today's video, I decided to do it the other way around to see. Definitely, it is going to work out, which I believe is the easiest way for any other person. I think it's long net is going to test me, so I have to just adjust, loosen, and adjust the length. Yes, I call it the engine, but anyways, it's the motor. So here's the motor that carries the solar wind blade. The next stage or step is to install the motor to the stand. So, and on doing that, you have to take this end to end. We have this that connects this to this, which shows or which makes it to work. But before then, this is what we do. Just look at this. There's the screw here, so you have to remove this screw. So the next stage is doing this. So mind you, you have to know the front to the front to front, back to back. So this is our front, which is inside the wind blade, and this is the back. So same thing applies to the stands, the front and the back. So the front goes in line with the front of the motor. So the first thing is to do this. So you have to check it very well. So it goes in. So that you can see that it has gone in. So yeah, so before you screw, you have to confirm if what you've done is working or not. So you can test this with the lights. So because of this, the light is going to work. So now let's see. Will this come on? Yeah, can you say the lights came on? So that shows that this connection is alright and okay. Let's speed up back. So we push this in. You have to push it in. So it can go in. But this just can't stay like this. So this something was being removed. So we have this. So this is supposed to be here. This is supposed to be here. Like this. So we have to, because there is something here that is going to hold it. So if it's not correct, it might not start going. Yeah, we have this inside. Can you see it? So it has gone inside. It is correct. So we pull this from this side and we'll pull this from the other side. So it goes in like this. So you keep knotting until it goes all in. Yeah. So it is tightly fixed now. So let's go into the main business. So we are getting to the main installation, which is adding the cover to the motor. So how do we do that? Is by adding this back cover. So we have two covers initially. Basically, we have the back cover and the front cover. We're going to distinguish between the front and the back cover. So the back cover is always wider opened than the back cover. Is to fasten it to the end. So all I need to do is to fasten it. So you can see that our fan is getting all ready. So the next step is the fan blade. Yes. So let's go. We have the fan blade. This can also follow. So what we need to do is to add this. There, add the fasten there to it. So what you should know is, once you're doing it the wrong way, it's not fasting. But when you're doing it the right way, it's fasting. So there's an instruction here, loosen and tighten. So when it goes to the right, that means you are trying to loosen it. And when it turns to the left, that means you're trying to fasten it. So that was a mistake I made. Now let's go. Let's try to fasten it to the right. Yeah, it's all done.
This is me attaching the small front cover to the main front cover before attaching it or before covering the fan blade.
So you bend sideways, you bend.
All you need to do after that is to add the front cover and lock or not, and it's all done. I'm so sorry I did not outline the last process. So this is me trying to show my satisfied client that it's all done, showing her the features, and turned it on so that she confirms that everything is working. The red switch turns on the lights. Using the ascending order from the bottom, the first switch turns it on or off. That is everything generally on and off, followed by the second switch, which is the first wind speed or the minimum wind speed. The third one is the second wind speed or the medium wind speed, and the fourth switch is the third wind speed or the highest one. That's not all, there is still more to it. So we have the extra light that came with it, which I had to confirm it is working using the power bank, and yes, it did came on. What if you think it is not convenient for you to charge using the sun, or probably when there's light? So we have our charger, which you can use to charge it with direct current, and so you can continue enjoying your fan. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you find this video helpful. Bye.